Hi, my garden friends. Hey, this is Diane. I thought I'd do a Facebook Live, so I hope a few of you come on to say hi. But I'm going to be sharing my seeds I've purchased and the ones I'm going to be getting started and the ones I am going to be putting in the ground. I haven't started any seeds here yet in the Midwest, and I don't get in much hurry because it seems like it's cold through mid-May sometimes, and I don't put a lot out till mid-May or so. But I do put like radishes and onions. Some of the cooler crops can go out, but like some of the flowers, I don't dare want them to be frozen, so I do not put them out. So hi, whoever's watching. So I'm going to go over my seeds, ones I've purchased, and I don't know if this will show up. It might show up backwards on here, but I am going to be planting. I always plant wildflowers every year, and I got a couple packets of wildflowers. And what I normally do with these, which really works pretty well for me, I'll just take and spread them out in a flat with some soil, spread the seeds out in there, let them germinate, let them sit in that flat until I'm ready to transfer them outside. So I'll try to kind of harden them off a little bit in the greenhouse, but then when I go to plant them, I'll just take a clump of them and plant them in one spot, and then I'll take another clump and plant them in another spot. It actually works pretty well. It works fine for me. So the next thing I'm going to be planting is, I actually got some lavender. Can't see it, but this is dwarf lavender. I'm going to be planting. Love lavender. I mean, who don't love lavender? It's great stuff. I got a bunch of celery seeds, so I should probably be getting these started indoors, and that's probably what I'll be doing here really soon. Celery takes several weeks, so I need to get that in. We have some celosia mix, really pretty, beautiful plants. And if you've seen my new look celosia, you know that it's a cool plant. But this is going to be mix of colors, so I'm excited about that. So zinnias, always plant zinnias. Zinnias, this is a zinnia that does not get powdery mildew. This is Profusion series. This is a mix. These are the ones that get about a foot tall, and they'll bloom all summer into fall. And the butterflies adore them. So I always plant zinnias in the garden. I'm going to have a ton of butterflies again. So I have another zinnia that's called the Raspberry Ripple Zahara Double. It's a double raspberry. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. And it is pretty. Very nice. But, and some rosemary. Did I say rosemary? No, I don't think I did. But I do rosemary. I actually brought some rosemary plants indoors. They're in my south window. And I've been taking cuttings off of them all winter. And then drying them on a cardboard flat like I do. Always have done that, and it works really well. So I love rosemary. I'm going to do cauliflower this year. It's been a long time, but I really found out I really love this stuff. I steam it, and my husband even likes it. So I know that when it gets hot, you have to pull the leaves up over the plant and tie it at the top so they don't get sun scald. So that's what I'll do. But we're going to be planting some cauliflower plants, and those will be fun. Just some lettuce. Pretty colored lettuce. It's called the Royal Red lettuce, and it's a leaf lettuce. So easy. These I can put out earlier, which is nice. I always do the Danvers half-long carrots. Just throw the seed out in the ground, and they do well every year. And these are ones that I've probably had on my videos. And I do freeze them. That's what I normally do with these, is freeze them. I'll either dice them or I'll leave them in like 4-inch cut up pieces that we can put in roast or whatever. Peppers, sweet banana. Haven't done much sweet banana, but we're going to do them because I like sweet peppers. And these I know produce a lot of peppers. I mean, you guys all know. You know that. Burpless bush. My folks like the burpless bush. I actually do the smaller pickling cucumber, but I usually plant these for them. and I got some more celery. I didn't realize I purchased too much celery seed. But I'm going to, I'm going to have tomatoes. I'm going to be putting onions in. Just a number of things, and I hope encourage you guys to do what you can. Get started in your area. I don't know where you're at or what you're doing, but aren't those pretty? Wildflower mix. And like I said, it's backwards, but you can see the picture. It's beautiful. But I love the cosmos, the zinnias, and the echinacea, purple coneflower. Very nice. So I'm just kind of sharing with you. There'll be other things I'll be putting in the garden, and peppers. Oh, I saved my pepper seeds last year. The orange. Can't think of the name, but it's an open pollinated. It's not a hybrid one, but I saved the seeds, so I'm hoping they're good. I also saved the seeds from my marigolds. I'll be getting them started. I saved the seeds from my orange zinnias that I just adore. And you've probably seen them on my videos, some of you. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you. And sorry if this got a little long, but I thought maybe doing a live. It's a little easier than me video recording and putting it up on YouTube. Just takes a little more time, and I just got some other things going on, but I'll be getting more videos. They'll be coming. I actually have some that I got to upload to YouTube. So you guys take care. Happy gardening. And if you got any questions, post them below. I might be a little early for a lot of you, but post them below if you have anything that, you get any questions. I'll do my best. I do not know everything, but I do Google things too to help me with some of the things that I'm not real sure on. So take care. Have a good gardening season. Bye.